Yeah, I appreciate that. I'm loving it. I haven't been as excited about something as I am about this in a really long time.
Hey guys, Mike Croft here, Money Coach Mike, and man, I've got a good one for you. We're talking to Chris, who's in the Generational Wealth Impact Mastermind. Listen, if you've ever thought investing is too hard, or it's too late, or you don't have enough information, or whatever limiting belief you've had around, just building wealth in the stock market, throw it all aside, throw it all behind you, okay? Because Chris here is going to blow your mind today with just, with the numbers he's been getting and how he's been growing wealth and how it's been working here. So buckle up. If you're around, grab a pen and paper, take notes. We share with you some of the strategies he's putting on and how he is winning with money and how you can do it too. Let's dive in. Awesome. How's your account doing?
It's doing not bad. Today it's coming up.
Yeah, it's looking good today, isn't it?
Yeah, looking real good today. I'm not minding that at all.
Yeah, really nice dip yesterday. And I mean, if anyone bought, I don't know if anyone did, but if anyone bought, man, they're up nicely today.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah. I love it.
I've got some more money sitting on the side in my other account. I've got to bring it over, and so I'll get the next one down with that. But
well, let me ask you this: what? Tell me, how's your I know this is year one. How's your journey been in year one? Like,
good,
loving it or hating it or?
No, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Especially the like Metu, like the ETFs, leveraged ETFs. Like you see those go up, and I've made some good money on those so far.
I just bought Metu today, actually.
Did you?
Did you see my text? Hey, it's up.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, I got in.
I was going to get in too, but I just don't have the chain sitting around, and that's why I got to get it over. So I kind of got burnt on that, but
and Metu has a quite. I was looking at the chart. It's not in a uptrend. It's come down a lot since its top, so it's got a lot of room to move. And if it stays in its current trend, I mean, it's going to make us. 100% maybe.
Yeah, that'd be
all right. It gets back up to its all-time high. I mean, I got to imagine we're about that. So there might be some room here.
Yeah, and I've made some money off the TQQ. Bought and sold it about probably 2 or 3 times now.
Nice.
And I'm holding some right now. So I've got, I mean, not tons and tons of shares, but like 90 shares, which is not bad.
Yeah, it's good chunk of change.
Yeah, it's a few thousand anyway. Well, 10,000.
Yeah,
roughly.
Yeah,
and so. Yeah, loving it. Absolutely loving it. And I've got to go back over the videos in the vault and just practice up on the 2/3 over the center.
Oh yeah. The setup.
Yeah, the setup. Just get used to that again. Admittedly, I'll use. I cheat the odd time and I use the one from the long-term investing.
Okay.
I mean, you can do it. It's just not as fast of a turnover, right?
Yeah.
And I'm reading the chat, so I know when something's happening or whatever, and I'll just go in and look real quick or whatever, right? And verify it. But I've got to get a little more secure on the 2/3.
Yeah.
On the YouTube channel.
Yeah. That's our fast in, our fast out.
Yeah.
Things do turn around.
Oh, they do so quick.
And they can, especially when you're in double leverage, right? Like long term, we're going to do great, but we're trying to take the swings up and miss the pullbacks, right? So that does give us a little bit more of a faster signal when we need it here. But I was gonna say, man, in the last 6 months, I mean, I know we've been kind of in and out a bunch of times, but the last 6 months has been a nice. Do you have any of that long? Did you do any long term during that time? Or?
Yeah. I've held it. I've been buying. I bought some Palantir.
Nice.
I bought some more Nvidia.
Did you ever buy the Palantir double?
No, I didn't. No, I didn't have the cash at the time because I bought something else, and that's burned me a few times.
That is like whiplash, man. That thing get in there, what's a rocket ship? Just boom, you're up 20% and fast on that one.
Yeah, it's amazing how much you really see it. How fast you build up your profit in the leverage.
Yeah,
it's so much faster.
Yeah. It can do a lot of it can do a lot of good really fast for us. Qs are up. TQQ is up 100%.
Yeah, it's something like I first bought in and that was like 70 something.
Yeah.
Now
today's 107 or something.
107. Yeah. So it's done well. And the SPLX I bought in at I want to say around 150. I'd have to go back and look at my chart, but I don't want my computer to crash on me, so I'm not going to do it.
Yeah.
But now it's like
215, 216.
Yeah, 216.
Dude, you want to know what's even crazier? Like, since the bottom of April here, the S&P 500, which is our kind of measure of the overall stock market, it's up, about 35%, 35.5-ish% right now, which is, listen, that's not bad. Like, it's not bad at all, especially for 6 months. But, dude, the SPXL, now, I know we didn't get in at the very bottom, but since that same period, since the same bottom there, it's up 121%. It's 4x'd what the overall market has done. And this is what we're talking about, right? So we swing trade this, we get in when it's moving, we get out when it's not, right? I mean, 121%, you've more than doubled your account since April, right? But dude, the Q, the triple Q that we buy a lot as well, and we talk about, and I hold it, I know you hold it as well. Dude, that thing is up 184%. 184%. Like, if you have a $10,000 investment account, I mean, 184%, you're up your account's almost $30,000 just in the last 6 months. So this is what we're talking about. This is like the whole Impact Mastermind. We get the bottoms, we take them up, and then when things start to roll over, which they will at some point, we get out, let the money sit in cash. Sometimes we'll make money as it comes down. We can do that as well. But yeah, I mean, this is just insane, guy. And you're doing it so good as well, which is, I mean, I just love it. I just absolutely love the results you're getting.
I've got in and out a couple times on it as well.
Yeah.
And whatever. Actually, I've applied the swing trading to a couple stocks too.
Oh, have you? Nice. Well, yeah, it works for that too. Yeah,
it does work for that. It was one stock a friend of my brother's had told me about it, and I used the setup in out, made decent money on it.
Nice.
So, yeah, like $5-6 grand. Like, yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Come on. I mean, yeah. Excited. The good news about that is you can use it on crypto. You can use it on, brother-in-law recommends this. Well, let's go look at the charts. Okay, yeah, it's an uptrend. Let's try it. Mm-hmm. Or it's in a downtrend. We're gonna wait. That trend really, or the swing trading setup really does help. Not just with the stuff that we do it with, but all the other stocks, crypto, and anything else out there you can invest in. I guess that can show up a chart setup.
Yeah. No, I'm really impressed with it. It's the whole, and I'm understanding it, which is even better.
Yeah.
It's not simple or anything, but I'm understanding how it works.
Yeah.
And watching it in practice, man, I feel so good every time it works. Like, it's just like you're standing on cloud 9 or something,
I feel like $1 million.
You totally do. And
if you keep doing it, you'll become a millionaire.
Well, and this is the goal, millionaire. And then, I mean, the second goal might be a little lofty, but like, I want to be a decamillionaire.
Oh yeah, right on. Yeah.
By the time I'm 65, for sure, right? I mean, it's 13 years. I think it's more than doable.
Well, okay. You want to run some numbers?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's check this out here. I'm going to pull up my screen here, because I've been actually calculating some numbers here on a couple things. I did the SP. I did it against the SPY, so I did SPXL and SPY. TQQ would actually be a little bit higher.
Okay.
But over the last 5 years, this strategy has netted roughly about 97, just over 97% return year over year.
That's awesome.
So that's us getting in, getting out from major pullbacks. Maybe we missed a small dip, whatever, but getting out from the major pullbacks, getting back in when the signals say to get back in, and doing that in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out.
Yeah.
Now, we usually hold, I mean, we don't know exactly how long a run's going to go for, but we're usually at least 2 to 12 weeks in a nice little bull run, right?
Yeah.
Right now we've been in 6 months, so we've been well past the 12 weeks, but yeah, so about 97%. So check this out. I'm just going to pull up a calculator here. So let's just say you said 10 years. You want to get there, right?
Yeah. Well, okay. 10 would be perfect. Yeah. Let's do 10.
Okay. Let's see what we can do here. And what are we at? About 100,000? A little bit less.
In what total? Like total in all my accounts, or?
Well, give me more of the swing trading numbers, because that's the numbers. That's the interest.
Yeah. Let's go with 100,000. Let's go with 100,000.
Okay, and let's just pretend we don't do nothing monthly, because this really produces a monthly income for us, so we don't actually need to put an investment trade. Now, I don't know that we're going to do 97.5% for the next 10 years straight, but what I do know is this strategy in a major pullback like 2022 or 2008, 2000, we're out. We're in cash for the majority of it, or we're making money as it comes down. We got that strategy too. Yeah. So let's just work all upside.
Okay.
And let's just say we do average that 97.5% year over year. You ready to see what this turns into?
Yeah. Oh my God.
It doesn't even make sense.
Are you kidding me?
Hold on. I got to make sure I got the right numbers in there. 100, 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
That's 100,000. Yeah. It works.
Wow.
Now, most people will watch this and be like, "You're insane. You're on the stupid juice." But that's how the math would work.
Yeah.
Essentially,
I mean,
that's insane.
Oh,
that's insane. But let's just say we do half of that return, 50%.
Half, quarter,
13 million.
13 million. Eh? Wow.
At 50% year over year, which I think is doable. I mean, we will get a pull, but we will get a recession again within the next 10 years. We would definitely have another 40% pullback in the markets.
Yeah.
But using the system we use, we'll be out for that. So I sat all of that pullback from Feb to April in like this year, 25. I sat all that out.
Yeah.
Just using the stuff I taught you guys. I know you were brand new in the group at the time. Like everyone in the group was a month old, so I don't know if everyone sat it out, but saw come and sat it out, saw the setup April into May is when I started to get back in.
Yeah.
And then since May, I've been almost full in for everything. But yeah, that's what that would look like. 50% return.
That's fantastic.
I mean, we got single stocks that do average 48% return year over year.
I know.
Doing our leverage stuff and the stuff that we do, 50% is not impossible. It's not hard to get.
So this is entirely doable. Good. I figured it was, but I didn't know the actual numbers on it.
Yeah.
I just kind of did it quick in my head.
Yeah.
But yeah, that would be spectacular. Because I mean, my end game goal is because I mean I don't have kids, right? So my end game goal is to sort of build a nest egg for my brother's kids.
Oh, right on.
Their family, and then and then our family never really has to worry about money again.
That's the way to do it.
This is the goal.
That's called generational wealth.
That's it. No, that's exactly what it is, eh? And I've got an opportunity here, so I'm going to do the best I can to make the most of it.
Even if we're half wrong, dude, you're still roughly about 6.5 now.
I know.
Even if we're half wrong in our analysis here.
That's insane. It's so awesome.
Yeah. Let me ask you this. What would you say to those that are considering the swing, the Impact Mastermind?
I wouldn't even hesitate.
Do it.
Just do it. Absolutely.
Just get in.
Just get in. Just get in.
I love it.
Just kidding. And it's fun. It's so much fun.
Yeah.
And then with the chat online, you're back and forth talking to people, and it keeps you engaged in it.
Yeah.
And I mean, and the money's there to be made, and we might as well be making it.
Yeah. Well, I mean, yeah. Who else but us? It's funny because what I love about the chat and the group here is you'll see different people lean and move towards different ETFs and different stocks, right? Like there's some people like certain things. And so what's great about it is obviously I'm not watching every single stock and every single ETF. So when someone posts and says, hey, like this morning, Keela, hey, NVDL, is it almost set up, ready to go?
Yeah.
I was like, oh, I haven't looked at NVDL in a while.
I know, I haven't either.
Take a look at it.
Yeah. Well, I sold my seed money off and I've been letting it ride, right?
That's
so
right.
I haven't come back to look at it yet. Yeah.
Yeah, I bought back in June for a nice little swing up here. I'm still in.
Mm-hmm.
Bought at 57. Yeah, bought at 57. I don't know when you bought exactly, but bought at 57 and now it's at 88. So not quite a double, but I'm like, come on, NVIDIA, give us that push to the double.
I'm pretty close to that too. I bought at 50 something too.
Okay, right on. Yeah, so you're like me. So today, I've watched it go up nicely. It was at 93 a couple days ago, but anyways, it's done really well for us. But yeah, NVDL and just a whole bunch of others. So every guy's like watching their thing, bringing it to the group, and it's like it's great because it allows me to go check in on some of the other stuff that I don't usually check in on.
Yeah, no, for sure. Why? Because I can just imagine keeping track of the amount of stocks that you keep track of is trying to look at mine. I see your watch list, in the meetings, and then I see how big it is compared to mine, right? I mean, just to keep track of it all, it's got to be crazy doing that. Well,
which is why I love the group, because everyone kind of has their 2-3 that they really love, and they're walking and talking about it. So it gives us a chance to go look back. I mean, Rocket Lab's another one.
I got some of that too.
Did you get some of that? Yeah.
I sold my seed money and I'm riding
the rest, dude. Almost 200%.
Yeah,
not quite. We're at 100, but we're going 200.
It's ridiculous how fast it's gone.
I love it.
Yeah.
So this is great for those that want to really make their money work for them outside of long term. Did you say? Well, you used to be with CIBC, right?
Oh, it was Scotiabank. Yeah,
Scotia.
Yeah. I was just talking about this with somebody the other day, and I had an RSP, a GICs, and an RSP.
Yeah.
For 20 years, and I've been putting in like a couple $100 a month, minimum, or a check anyway. And I think I ended up with $28,000, and I'm like, really? I'm like, that's the money I put
20
in.
years. After
Yeah,
20 years.
Yeah, I'm like, that's the money I put in. Where's the interest?
Yeah.
Like, it's not there. Like, that is not the way to do it at all. No.
Yeah. That's only been a couple of years since you started doing this too, right?
It's been 2 years, actually, just October.
Oh, really?
It's been 2 years.
2 years, October. Yeah. Awesome.
Yeah, and I've come up considerably in my overall bottom line.
Yeah.
Since I started. I've at least tripled what I did in and more than that, I think, what I did in the RSPs and all that.
Yeah. So what took 28 years to do, you did in 3.
Yeah. No, not even
growth.
Did it in 2.
Oh, 2. That's right. Sorry, it's only been 2 years. My bad.
I did it 3 times. Did it 3 times in 2.
3x in 2.
In 2, yeah. And I don't even know what I'm learning. Like, I wasn't even sure what I was doing half the time, right?
Yeah.
So I mean, just paying attention, watching you, and I mean, I'm smart enough to realize that you know what you're doing. Yes.
You trust me.
I do trust you. I
I love it.
Yeah, I do trust you very much.
That is awesome, man. Well, listen, you've been rocking it. You've been that student that's gone in and actually implemented, right? And here you are getting the results, paying off in the results here, and getting the gains, getting the returns. So big congrats to you as well.
Thank you. Yeah, I appreciate that. I'm loving it. I haven't been as excited about something as I am about this in a really long time.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so it's been great, and I'm loving it, and I'm going to keep doing it.
Yeah.
And, I'm just going to learn more and more and more and more, and I keep going over the videos and trying to put the information into my head, because there is so much information there.
Yeah.
Especially between the 2 clubs. I mean,
you're on both. You're on both sides of it, right? So you're in the swing, you're in the long term as well. But so you're getting information on both sides here.
Yeah. But the swing trading it's been fantastic. It's so much fun. It's exciting because it's
I love it, man.
Yeah, because you're watching it, and the time frame, like you say, it's so much shorter, right?
Yeah, like you're in, and again, whether it's 2 weeks, 4 weeks, sometimes we get up to 12 weeks of a nice run. You're in it for weeks, but you're making, honestly, like you've seen it. Sometimes you're making in a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, what people won't make in 2 years.
I know.
Right. That's the part that blows my mind, is like, I'll get out of something because it's turning around, and I'll be like, we're up like 50% on this, and it's only been a month. Most people won't do this in 2-3 years.
No, I know.
Right. You could just take a break, step back, and it would take people 2-3 years to catch up to your returns.
Yeah.
That you just did in, whatever, a month or whatever it's been time frame wise. It blows my mind.
It does. And I find people don't really, like, you tell them how much you did last year or whatever, and just in conversation, and they're like, what? It's like double take. Like,
well, that's impossible.
Yeah, exactly. Right. That's the look they give you.
My financial advisor tells me I can only do 2% year over year.
Yeah, that's exactly right. That's the look they give you, like you're from the planet or something.
Yeah, well, I mean, that's the goal, is to like really show, because like when I'm like you and many other people, when I started this journey in 2008, I was learning, but I had financial advisors, and every year I would look at my account, and the market did 11, and I'm at 8%. Next year the market does 7, and I'm at 6, and then it does 15, and I'm at 11. I would go to these guys and like, what? Like, why can't we beat or at least match the markets? And that's where, so I did that, a couple of years of doing that. And I said, I got to do this on my own. I got to figure this out, because I know we can beat the markets. It is not hard. You pull up a chart of NVIDIA or whatever, and it's just like, it's crushed the markets in returns.
Yeah.
But we were getting all these low returns. So it started off this journey of self-discovery, and really starting to understand the markets in a way that I don't think most people will ever understand. And that's become my goal, is to teach it to you guys in a way that, whether it's a year that it takes you to learn, or even faster, some of that will just 5, 10, 15, 20 years down the road, you'll look back and say, holy cow, that's one of the best decisions I ever made, was to learn that, implement it, and get the returns.
Well, I already know it's one of the best decisions I've ever made.
Yeah. Same here.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
It's hands down.
Yeah.
Hands down.
Yeah. No, I agree. It's what I love about it is the markets don't care who you are. They don't care what your background is. They don't care what your political views are. If you'll implement the strategy, it works.
Yeah.
For anybody and everybody.
And just like you say, understanding the market, like so many things I've learned off of it that make me feel comfortable about investing that I've learned from you that nobody's ever told me before. And like you say, it's a lack of understanding. And that stops most people, right? Because they're afraid of it. But you start to understand it and you realize wait a minute. I mean, there's obviously danger in everything you do,
there's risk in
but
everything.
Not the way they'd have you believe.
Yes. Yeah. It's a good point. You're right. And the way they want you to believe about risk, the way they want you to believe about risk is a lot different than what risk really is, especially for us. I mean, there's risk in getting in your car and driving in the morning, right? But we don't freak out irrationally about it.
No.
But the markets we do.
Right?
Everybody
does. Everybody does. Some of the swings, some little dip or something, and you see your portfolio swing down, and you're like, you tell somebody, and they're like, "How do you stand that?" And I go, "Oh, I know it's coming back up because I invest wisely."
In fact, it's time to put more in.
Yeah, exactly.
Load the truck, maybe we're shoveling more money into this.
It's it. Back it up.
Yeah. So let me ask you this: are you like, when I see markets dip, I actually get pretty excited now. I'm like. And a couple times you may have heard me say, "Come on, baby, go lower, give us some more."
Yeah,
go lower. Well, when you see the dip, what are you like now?
I get excited.
Yeah,
excited, and I'm thinking, okay, how low is it going to go? Like, where am I? And I start putting my alerts and everything to mark it down as it's coming to see if I can get it, as close to the bottom as I can. And then you watch for the signal and you wait for the turnaround and get back in.
Yeah.
But I get so excited about it because like everything goes on sale.
Love it. Like your best potato chips are on sale. Go buy 5 bags instead of one, right?
Exactly what it is. And I never understood that before. And now that I do, it takes this big weight off your shoulder. And then some of the other things I've learned, just about the 80% rising, 20% falling.
Oh, like 80% of the time we're on the uptrend, 20% we're on the back.
Yeah. And so, I mean, and then one thing I don't know if it was you or somebody else that said it in the meeting, but I mean, the markets are trading at all-time highs. Just, I don't even know, like this week, weren't they? Basically.
Yeah, I mean, we've kind of hit the all-time high and bounced off.
And bounced on it, and and I mean,
we might push it today. Honestly, I'm looking at it right now.
Yeah.
Even as I look at it right now, I'm like, we may. I mean, the if I look at the Qs, let me just take a look here. Like it's there. It's at the all-time high again. So we might get that tip and push over today, tomorrow. Well, the markets are going to close soon, but today or tomorrow we might hit another all-time high,
which would be fantastic.
Yeah, for a year that wasn't supposed to be that good, it's been really
pretty good. Well, and this is my point, or what I was getting to is, I mean, through all of the atrocities that have happened to mankind, and the market's at all-time highs right now. Yeah. So, I mean, that tells you, right?
Yeah, the markets are resilient.
Absolutely.
They're stronger than most people's mindsets are.
Yeah.
And if you understand the system and obviously what we teach and all that stuff, you find good spots to get in and take it up and make more money. So that's our goal, baby. $1 billion, Chris, in 11 years. Okay,
oh, man. That would be $1 billion. Wouldn't that be spectacular?
That would just be.
Oh,
you wouldn't know what to do.
No, I wouldn't know what to do.
You'd have to reset your goals or something. You'd have to have a bigger life plan with $1 billion. So you're like, you're doing something different.
Yeah. Oh, big time doing something different.
Yeah.
Big time. Going in style.
All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed that one. Wow. That was so good. Listen, the stock market your parents had, the stock market your parents' financial advisors invested in, is not the stock market we have access to today. So much has changed in the last 20, 25, even the last 5, 10 years. No longer do you have to no longer do you have to wait for the markets to go in one direction to make money. You can make money on the up, you can make money on the down, you can make money on the sideways. Okay, so listen, if this inspired you, maybe you want a passive income, maybe you want a part-time passive income, maybe you want a full-time passive income. That's possible too, right, to get there. Maybe you want to build wealth faster than your financial advisor's doing it. Maybe you want to build wealth faster than you're doing it, and you want to do it with some certainty. Well, the Impact Mastermind is where you got to be. All right. And so if you head over to moneycoachmike.com/impact, head over there, a whole bunch of details about the Generational Wealth Impact Masterminds there. And this is our investing mastermind. This is where my goal is to teach you every little thing that I know that's helped build me wealth over the years and impart it to you guys. There's nothing I hold back from the club, and we grow together. That's the best part. We grow in community. We do this together. You're not alone anymore. You're not a silo. And what I found is the best wealth is built in community, when we're all cheering each other on and we're all giving each other ideas, and then you've got me to coach you and guide you on just how to get yourself set up. So if that sounds something that you want to do, Impact Mastermind, moneycoachmike.com/impact. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.